Hey guys, it's Tristan from Manitoba Marketing here. I'm just making this quick video to show what I think can be improved on a little bit to increase your guys' online presence and to rank with your top competitors in Google. I spoke with Alana on the weekend and decided to shoot this video. Now I know that you guys are all owned by the same company, the Green Spot, but I'm just focusing here on Whetter landscapes and for landscaping in Brandon, Manitoba here. So I'm going to cover three things in the video. And first is going to be content. So with a website, Google likes you to have around 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now you guys don't have a website specifically for your landscaping, which is okay, but the reason that Google likes that is because then you can add in as many keywords as possible, and Google searches over your website looking for those keywords to make you relevant and to make you show up for people's search terms. So the more content you have on your website, the more likely you're going to have all those keywords and the more likely you're going to show up when people search up. So for example, landscaping Brandon, Manitoba. There's an example of a keyword. So the more keywords you have, the more content you have, the more likely you're going to show up in these organic listings here. The next thing I'm going to go over is backlinks. So I'm going to go over, this is a tool called Ahrefs. It's a tool I use to look over websites and scan their popularity, basically, because Google is basically a big popularity contest. The more popular you are, the more likely you're going to show up. And how we get more popular is by backlinks. And we get those backlinks from referring domains. Oops, what did I do here? Sorry. Computer's pretty slow today. Okay, so we get those backlinks from our referring domains here. And it's not, this number 54, they're getting a lot of backlinks from only those 54 domains, but this 54 is not hard to beat. And keep in mind that not all backlinks are made quite equal. Some are a little bit stronger than others, and it's basically based on relevance to your business. So Google, you make a Whetter landscaping website, they're going to know that you're in the business of landscaping, yard care, all that kind of stuff. If you go and try and get backlinks from restaurants or some kind of clinic, they're not going to see those as relevant, and they're not going to be as strong for your website. So they're not going to do anything. It's just going to be spammy, and Google's not really going to like your website. So keep in mind, it's super important to have relevant backlinks. So all we would do here is we'd go into these referring domains and we would see if we can enter your business into them. Most of the times it's just a matter of making a business profile. Sometimes it's a matter of a little sponsorship. It all depends on what the domain wants to put your website on it. Next thing we're going to look at is citations. So citations are your business name, number, and address all listed verbatim anywhere on the web. And the amount of citations you have ranks you in this here. It's called the Google Map Hack. And citations are super important because this map hack is going to be one of your biggest client sellers, because lots of people really aren't going to go past these. They're not going to go and try and look through all of this kind of stuff and try and find a certain business. They're just going to go to one of these. They're going to see, oh, 4.5 stars, 4.6 stars, and they're going to go and they're going to pursue that business. So it's super important to have your business in there. So I've searched up Livingstone Landscaping here, and they've got 42 citations. So honestly, it's just a matter of going into all of these citations and entering your business into them, entering them into any sort of directory like Facebook, Instagram, Better Business Bureau. All of those are examples. And it'd just be a matter of going in, entering your business in them, and putting your business on their website to get that citation so that you guys can rank in this Google Map pack here. So those are the 3 things I wanted to go over. Pretty easy to beat. Those numbers there, like 46 citations, that's not a lot to beat. And 57 referring domains, also not hard to beat. I would recommend maybe a page for you guys, or even a back page on your GreenSpot website, so that people can see what you guys are actually offering, and so that they can hear about you and see you on the web, just to increase your guys' business, increase your calls. So those are a couple things. If you guys feel like I have something to offer, then please reach out to me. Here's my information here, and I will send you an email with this video. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.